All right, so if ever you found your colors for your OnePlus 9, 9R, or your 9 Pro phone has suddenly turned into these inverted colors, don't panic because it's actually a feature on your phone. And of course, if you want inverted colors, this video tutorial is also right for you. So first, let's go into the main settings here. And there's a shortcut that I can create and also can be found on the quick panel access. But let me just show you everything quickly here. So we'll go to settings, and then you'll go all the way down to where it says system. You'll see where it says system, go to that, and then go to accessibility. And as you enter into accessibility, just go down until you see color inversion. So go in that, and it's currently on, and you can just turn it off and everything will be back to normal. I'll show you here, see how the colors are now back to normal now. And what you can do is, one, create a shortcut if you find this setting or feature usable. So you can turn this on here, and when you do that, it's going to create that little accessibility icon down here, which will allow you to turn on and off the inverted colors anytime from down here. So I'll do that, and it's now on, and I'll do that, and now it's off. Okay, but if you want to remove that shortcut because you probably turn it on and off accidentally, then you can just go ahead and turn it off. And if ever now in the future, now this is for future preparations, if you find that the inverted colors is turning on and off by its own and you're tired of going into the accessibility settings, you'll go into the quick panel access here and look for inverted colors, which you can turn on and off at any given time. Now for some of us, this may have not automatically appeared here. So what you're going to do in the quick panel access edit option right here, you'll go here and you should see inverted colors somewhere around here. Just depending on how much you have there, maybe you might want to browse over or go down if there's more, and long press it and bring it up. So I'll just show you quickly here. Maybe I saw the inverted colors here, and I'm gonna hold it down and I'll bring it up like that, and I'll let it go, and then it's gonna stay in the quick panel access from here on after I back out of that. And now I got access to inverted colors in a quick panel access every time this happens, or if I decide that I want it. And that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully you learned something new, and thanks for watching.